Yeah, well, like the Apple, you got Apple, right? So when it goes like,
No.
okay, yeah, that went through. Perfect. What was your name? I'll put you on a little ticket there, and then we'll write your name down. We'll see how much you donated, and we'll just.
So how much did you take it from here?
Oh, hell.
One. So I scanned it twice, right? So one. Oh no, it only went through once. So just that much. Just a little bit.
$100?
That's it.
Why?
It's for the charity.